Solution of an equation. Any ordered pair that makes the equation true. Any ordered pair. That makes the equation true. How about an ordered pair? That's this, an X, Y. Who's jingling? Somebody's writing and then there's a noise jingling. Whose pen? Oh, can you take your, can you take that off there? I can't listen to that the whole period, sorry. You need another pen? There you go. I got a pen for you. Alright, so look at problem number 1 on page 69. I need it back though. Problem 1 on page 69 says, is 310 a solution of, y equals 4x? Alright. Now, the 310 that's in parentheses, this is your x value and this is your y value. Okay? So what they're asking you to do is to plug the 3 in for the x and the 10 in for the y and determine if it's true. Okay? So does 10 equal 4 times 3? No, it doesn't. So is this a solution? No. Now, we didn't talk about it yesterday, but could you do a table of values for y equals 4x? Alright, a table of values would be, here's my x values, here's my y values. And when I make x equal to 1, what does y equal? 4 times 1 is 4. When x is 2, what is y? When x is 3, what is y? And when x is 4, what is y? Do you see the pattern? What are you doing to the x's every time? The x's are going up, but what are you doing to them?
Multiplying them by 4.
Aren't you multiplying them by 4? Because this says y equals 4 times x. So if x was n, what would y be equal to? 4n, right? You don't necessarily want to look at the relationship vertically. You want to look at it horizontally. What are they doing to every x? They're multiplying it by 4. And then on the got it part just below there, is 520 a solution? Is 520 a solution? That's supposed to be an S. Yeah, that's an S. Is 520 a solution to this equation? Yes, because 4 times 5 equals 20. So that'd be a yes. They ask you if negative 20 and negative 5. Negative 20, negative 5. Is that a solution to y equals 4x? What's 4 times negative 20? It's not negative 5, is it? So is that a solution? No. Okay. So when they're asking if an ordered pair is a solution, they're asking you if when I plug this number in for x and this number in for y, does it make the equation true? Is everybody okay with that? Okay, good. That's about as far as we're going to go today, because I'm going to give you some stuff to review out of the book for the quiz tomorrow. Okay? Everybody all right with that?
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about the distributive property again real quick. Remember distributive property? We talked about it last week. If you got a -3 and you got to multiply it by x plus 7, that means the -3 multiplied by x and the -3 multiplied by the 7. So you get -3x. And what's -3 times positive 7? -21. Good. And then how about a -6 times n minus 8? You got your -6 times n, which is -6n. And -6 times -8, positive 48. All right, let's say that P equals 4 and Q equals -2. I want you to evaluate. And then I want you to evaluate those two right now, please. You have to write them down, and you have to show every step. And you got to skip a line in between them, and you got to make them neat for the rest of your math career in this class. Okay? You done, Hope? Hang on one second. Let me do them. So they're up here. In this case, the P times Q is squared. Okay? And in this case, only the Q is squared. So be careful where the parentheses are and what's in and not in parentheses. All right, if you see this, Tell whether the given number is a solution of each equation. What are they asking you to do there? They're asking you if negative 5 makes this equation true, aren't they? So how could you find out if negative 5 makes that equation true? Plug it in. So you would take 17. Does it equal 37 plus 4 times negative 5? Does 17 equal 37 plus negative 20? 37 plus negative 20 is 17, isn't it? So does 17 equal 17? Yes. So is this a solution? Yes. All right, that's 40 through 43 on your assignment today. All right, and then if you get, tell whether the given ordered pair is a solution. Problems 48 through 51. 3x plus 5 equals y. And this is 1/8. That means to substitute the 1 where the x is and substitute the y, or 8, where the y is, and find out if it's true. If it's true, is this a solution? Yes. If it's false, is this a solution? No. Very good. All right, today your assignment is page 74. (37 through 40). That's 37 through 43, I'm sorry. Page 77, 20 through 28. And page 78, 40 through 43, 48 through 51. What? On each of these pages, those are the problems you need to do. Any questions?